As a CIO or an IT executive, you understand the pressing needs of your enterprise. But with the rising complexities of your data center, especially with the end-of-life servers, you're at the risk of security vulnerability or may have to shell out millions for further support. You know that modernization and consolidation of your data center is the solution, and also you need the cloud. But where do you start? You need true experts to create a roadmap and implement best practices. OmniLoad by Scalability Experts is the technology you need that will help your data center be more organized, efficient, hybrid, and agile. All you have to do is download the fully functional OmniLoad VM, choose what you need to be assessed, and hit Go. The VM does a discovery and identifies all your data center workloads suitable for modernization, consolidation, and cloud. With its scientific and highly advanced data-driven analysis, OmniLoad helps you understand where you can exactly control the various ongoing costs, so that you can pick the most cost-effective option with the highest returns. For example, as most of you already have a Hyper-V license, you need not spend money on VMware at all. OmniLoad can help you migrate easily from VMware to Hyper-V or SQL Azure. As an extension, it will also help you with complete virtualization, be it on a hybrid, private, or public cloud. Apart from these, OmniLoad VM will also help you with capacity planning and architectural design. Our experts will help you implement OmniLoad at any location around the world, and we ensure that the entire process is 100% secure and compliant. Over the years, numerous companies have trusted OmniLoad for the modernization of their data centers. Because we do not only the discovery, modernization, and consolidation, but also help you achieve your dream of an end-to-end, highly advanced and scientific data center. Visit www.scalabilityexperts.com to know more.